Welcome back to my channel. We have planted many of our seedlings, such as tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and eggplants, into pots and the garden. From now on, we need to protect these seedlings from pests and diseases. For example, aphids may form on pepper seedlings or on the leaves of tomato and cucumber seedlings. Powdery mildew, fungal diseases, and yellowing. We can use a single product for many issues, including the small black flies that form in the potting soil of our houseplants, aphids on plants like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, and fungal diseases on the leaves. This product is milk. How do we apply this milk to our plants? Let's watch together. In this video, we will see what benefits the milk we drink has for plants and how to apply which milk and in what proportions. I have explained in our previous videos that feeding our plants with only water will not be enough, along with the additional nutrients we have prepared. When we provide our plants with milk along with the advantages of these additional nutrients, they can show resistance against diseases and also increase yield. Just as the calcium in milk benefits us, it is also protective and nourishing for plants. If you regularly give milk to your plants, you can get rid of pests, like mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Milk contains some components that can potentially benefit plants. Diluting milk with water and using it as a fertilizer provides an additional source of nutrients to plants. It encourages plant growth, keeping the plant healthy and resistant to diseases. These nutrients include proteins, carbohydrates, and calcium. This also means that milk can be used as an alternative source of plant nutrition. Instead of using chemical and expensive products, you can clean and disinfect your gardening materials by taking advantage of the antiseptic properties of milk. If you want to prevent your plants from rotting, yellowing of the leaves, and fungal diseases, you can spray a diluted mixture of milk onto the plant's surface. Now, let's get to the milk. For which processes should we use what amount? Let's watch it. For the insects and flies in the potting soil. For this, we need to prepare a mixture with 1 cup of whole milk and 3 cups of water. You can apply this mixture every 10 days. You can double the effect by mixing milk with molasses. What is molasses? It's the residue left after sugar is extracted in sugar production. It contains a certain amount of sugar. It is used as animal feed and fertilizer. You can pour the mixture of molasses and milk directly onto the soil of your plants. It's better to apply it before you see any bugs or flies. It's also effective when flies appear. I especially recommend using it for houseplants. When preparing these mixtures, you need to pay attention to one thing. It's beneficial to process organic compound food materials into a form that the soil can accept before using them directly in the soil. So, the milk you will use should be left uncovered at room temperature. Wait for 2-3 days, and then use it on your plants. How will we use the milk mixture for tomatoes? You should use skim milk specifically to protect the tomatoes. It protects the tomatoes from rotting and diseases. Mix 1 cup of skim milk with 10 cups of water to prepare it. We will fill a spray bottle with the mixture we prepared and apply it. We are spraying the milk and water mixture onto the leaves of the tomatoes. Applying it every 2 weeks will help prevent diseases. If there are flowers, be careful not to spray the flowers to avoid harming the pollination. The lactic acid and fat content in milk is effective in cleaning plant leaves and preventing dust accumulation. As a result, the leaves become shiny and moisture retention improves. Skim milk is used to protect cucumbers and their leaves, just like with tomatoes. It protects cucumbers from rotting and diseases. You can apply it to the leaves by mixing 1 cup of skim milk with 10 cups of water. Apply it every 2 weeks, just like with tomatoes. The sugars in milk promote the growth of beneficial microbes in the soil. The antibacterial properties of milk help prevent diseases in plants. It generally prevents powdery mildew for plant varieties that are prone to it. Cucumbers are one of them. The same mixture is applied for peppers. Skim milk and every 2 weeks. It is effective against aphids and mealybugs that form on peppers. Spray, especially under the leaves. Milk acts as a natural insect repellent due to its smell, which insects generally find unappealing. Especially when it comes to indoor plants, it becomes an effective strategy to control pests like aphids and scale insects. The calcium in milk accelerates the growth of peppers. If you apply it to the germination soil, you will improve the quality of the seedling that will sprout. Younger seedlings need calcium to grow fresher. Milk also contains essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are vital for the overall health and development of your plants. It's also important to keep pests away during the growth process. With the application of milk, you will accomplish both of these tasks. Don't limit yourself to just tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. You can apply it to all your plants, just like I'm applying it to my strawberries here. On my channel, there are many more recipes for natural fertilizers and videos about what you can grow at home or on your balcony. We've reached the end of another video. Share this video so everyone can see it and leave a comment below. At least some simple feedback like a thank you or a suggestion. Write it down. If you like the video, please click the like button. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for free and activate the bell to stay updated on my next videos. See you in my next videos.